Hello students, today I will start chapter number 10 of reasoning. Let's see some questions. The first question is ZA, BY, XC, DW. Students, firstly you have to follow these pattern and then according to the pattern you have to choose the correct options. Let's see ZA. A is the first letter and Z is the last letter. Similarly BY. B is the second letter and Y is the second last letter. Similarly XC, then DW. If we observe this pattern, let's see here. A is here, A is in the second letter, then B is first letter, then C is second letter, then D is first letter. Similarly, from this pattern, next letter will be E, but E will be in the second letter. So, option number B will be right. If we observe one more pattern, you can see here Z is the first letter, then Y is in the second letter. Similarly, X is the first letter and W is the second letter. Similarly, V will be the first letter. So, according to both patterns, option number B will be right. So, which option is right? B. Let's see second question. Here is the BC, then CD, then DE, then EF. All are in the sequencing order, but BC, that means second letter will be come in the first letter, then CD, then second letter will be come in the first letter, then DE, then EF. So next pattern will be FG. FG means which option is correct? D option is the correct option. So which option will be right? D option will be right. Now let's see students few more questions. In the question number 1, firstly you have to observe this pattern, then you have to fill up the blanks. Like in the first question, here is A, then B. A to B there is no gap, then B to D. If we read the alphabets, B, then C, then D will come. That means one letter is missing. Then D to G. D to G, E and F, that means two letters are missing. Then G to K. G to K means H, I, J, that means three letters here are missing. Then K to P, that means four letters are missing. Then P to next letter, that means five letter will be missing. And then sixth letter will be missing. That means here you can see 0 letter, then B to D 1 letter, then D to G 2 letters, then G to K 3 letters, then K to P 4 letters. That means next will be 5 letters missing and next will be 6 letter missing. Similarly, in the question number 2, you can read the pattern firstly. O, N, M, L, K, J. That means these are in the descending order. If we read according to the alphabet, these are in the descending order. यानी कि O से पहले क्या आता है N, then M, M से पहले L, L से पहले K, K से पहले J, J से पहले I, I से पहले H. That means here will be I and here will be H. Students, let's see some more questions. Let's see, read this pattern. Here is A. After the A, B, C, D will become. Then after the D, E will be there. And after the E, F, G, H. Then after H, I will become. Then after the I, J, K, L is there. Now, read the pattern. The first letter is only single letter. Then 3 letters will come. Then single letter, then 3 letters will come. Then single letter, then 3 letter will come. So here will be the single letter. Single letter will be L. Here is, you can see L is there. So after the L, M will become. That means here will be M. And after the M, 3 letters are N, O, P. So here is the M and here is the N, O, P. Let's read the next pattern. Student, if we observe this pattern, you can see all the first letters are Z here. You can see here is Z, here is Z, here is Z, and in the all question pattern Z is there. So next two fill-ups will be Z will be the first letter. Let's read the mid letter. Here is A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F. That means the second letter will be here G and second letter will be here H. Let's read the last letter. In each and every pattern you can see D is the last letter. So in the next two fill-ups, which letter will be the last? D will be the last. So here is the answer Z, G, D, and here is Z, H, D. Now let's see, students, some more questions. In the first question you can see this pattern. Here is 20. 20 plus 20 means 40. 40 plus 20 means 60. 60 plus 20 means 80. Then the next number will be 80 plus 20, that means 100. So which option will be right? A option. Similarly, in the next question, 4 to 8, that means if we multiply 4 to 2, 4 to the 8, then again multiplied by 2, 8 to the 16, then again multiplied by 2, 16 to the 32, then again multiplied to 32 to the 64. So that means which option will be right? A option will be right in both questions. Students, let's see the next pattern. Read the alphabets only in this pattern. D, then one letter is missing F, then one letter is missing H, one letter is missing J, one letter is missing L, then one letter is missing N, then after the N, O is missing, then P will become, then P, Q is missing, R will become. So here will be the P letter and here will be the R letter. Let's see the digits. 4, 4 plus 2, that means 6, 6 plus 2, that means 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, then next number will be 14 plus 2, 16, and next number will be 16 plus 2, that means 18. So here will be the P16 and then R18. Read the next pattern. F, G, see the alphabets only. All alphabets are in the sequencing order. First is F, G, H, I, J, K, then next is L, this next is M. Just see the numbers. Here is 3, then 6, that means 3 plus 3 6, then 5 will be added, then 7 will be added, then 9 will be added, then 11 will be added. If we observe these numbers, you can see all are the odd numbers will be added, that means but odd number will be added in the sequencing order. Here is plus 3, then plus 5, then plus 7, then plus 9, then plus 11. In the next part 11 plus 13, then 13 plus 15 will be added. Let's see, student, the next pattern. Read all the numbers only. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 2, that means here will become 21, then 21 plus 2, here number will be 23. Let's read the alphabets. I, then J is missing, K, L is missing, M, N is missing, O, P is missing, Q, R is missing, S, then T will be missing, U, then V will be missing, W will be here. Similarly, in the next pattern, let's see the alphabets. Alphabets are in the sequencing order. T, U, V, W, X, Y. So the next letter will be Z, and after the Z, A again will come. So here will be the alphabet Z and here will be the alphabet A. Let's read the numbers. All numbers are in the sequencing order. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The next number will be 26. Similarly, the next number will be 27. So here is the number 26 and here is the number 27. Now students, let's see this series. You can see this series is given in the question, and according to this series you have to find out the correct options. Let's see the question number 1. 25. 25 minus 5, that means 20. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 5, 10. Then 10 minus 5, which number will become 5. So correct option is A. In this series, in each and every number 5 is subtracted. Let's see the next question. 0 to 3, that means plus 3 is added. Then 3 plus 8, 3 comma 8, that means plus 5 is added. Then 5 to 15, 7 is added. If we observe this pattern, here is 3 added, then 5 added, then 7 added. That means these are the odd numbers, but odd numbers are in the sequential order. 3, 5, 7. That means the next number will be 9. If we added 15 plus 9, that means which number will become 24. So correct option is B option.